Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.
All other machines take a break sometimes, they go for servicing, they shut down sometimes. But did you ever realize that your heart, 365 days, doesn't even stop for a second? If it stops, that's the end of you. So all your life, your heart does not even stop for a single second. How to develop your heart is what we are doing. All physical activities develops your heart. If you're physically fit, you would never need to see a doctor. Remember, we need physical activity. We need to make it strong. We need to make our heart strong. While you're making your heart and your physical body strong, you are also making your mind strong. Did you realize that? Let's get to getting our heart and physical body stronger and stronger. This super machine. The purpose of forming this association was to go into each and every area, into even remote areas, and tap the raw talent, tapping talent at the grassroots level. This concept is the concept that is introduced by the Dr. Maxwell Trevor Welfare Cycling Association, and it is the first in India to do something like this, to go and tap talent in the areas, in the age groups from 6 years to 12 years, from 6 years to 14 years. Nowhere in the country was something like this ever done. So we have come out with this concept to identify talent, to tap talent. We first identify the talent and then we work on this talent to produce, to make them better. There are two phases of this. One is talent identification and one is talent development. We had the talent identification on the 21st of August this year. We identified around 40 students who had good talent that we felt. The purpose of this camp is to develop on that talent. So this is a talent development camp. What we do here is we take that raw talent, we work on them, we teach them various skills. We teach them bike skills, cornering skills, riding in groups, various other skills. We teach them how to get speed. We also work on different muscle groups of these children. It's very important to work in a scientific manner. These 6-year-old kids, who knows that one of these may win a medal at the Olympics. So we are focusing on these kids, trying to develop them, make them into athletes that would be competitive enough to take part in the future Olympics and even win medals. But even in the conducting and helping out in the breakfast, we are focusing not only on developing the athletes physically, but we are trying to develop them to get the right nutrition, to get the understanding of the right nutrition, to eat the right food. And in order to teach them to eat the right food, we have decided to prepare breakfast every day, a high nutritious breakfast, and give it to the kids, to teach them that this is the right food you eat and this is what will take you and make you big and make you a champion in life. So in preparation of all these items for breakfast and other things, some of the parents also came forward and they helped out. Develop these young athletes into champions, into future champions. And we are trying to work even on their attitude. We are trying to make them a better person. We are trying overall development of these children. And that is our focus. I thank everyone who was part of this and helped us out. We had people come from far off places like Coimbatore as well. Thank you one and all.
ఇప్పటికి ఇది ఇండియాలో ఫస్ట్ టైం పెట్టడం. ఇది మామూలుగా మన టాలెంట్ని గుర్తించి మనం ఇది ఇలా నేషనల్ లెవెల్లో ఇంటర్నేషనల్ లెవెల్లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయడానికి ప్లస్ మన ఫ్యూచర్లో వీళ్ళు ఒలింపిక్ మెడల్లో సాధించారని మనం కోరుతూ,
మీలో ఎవరైనా సైక్లింగ్లో ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఉండి ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకోవాలనుకుంటే డైరెక్ట్గా మమ్మల్ని కాంటాక్ట్ చేయవచ్చు. మా ఆఫీస్ వచ్చేసి తార్నాక విజయపూరి స్ట్రీట్ నెంబర్ 1 అండి. మ్యాక్స్వెల్ ట్రెవర్ బిల్డింగ్ మీరు గూగుల్ చేస్తే మీకు డైరెక్ట్గా గూగుల్ మ్యాప్స్ నావిగేట్ చేస్తుంది. యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ యూ కెన్ ఆల్సో కాంటాక్ట్ మీ ఫ్రమ్ ది ఆఫీస్ ఆఫ్ జనరల్ సెక్రటరీ. మై కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్ ఇస్ 7675805997. మీరు డైరెక్ట్గా నాకు కాల్ చేసి కూడా డీటెయిల్స్ కనుక్కోవచ్చండి అబౌట్ ది అకాడమీ, అడ్మిషన్ అండ్ అదర్ ట్రైనింగ్ రిలేటెడ్ ఎంక్వైరీస్.
My name is Angad. I've enjoyed the special camp which was run by Dr. Maxwell sir. He taught many things and we also had several races. I enjoyed the camp and it was very good. Thank you.